Now, what I don't like about Excel class ships are the balconies above Cove. See how they're all set inward? So when you look down from a balcony on Excel class ship, you're looking onto deck 9 all the way around the ship. You're not looking straight down. I want to see straight down to water. But now the Cove balconies on an Excel class ship are amazing. Look at where they're at right there. Those are your balconies on Excel class ship. Deck 5 on an Excel class, those are amazing. On the Jubilee, we were on deck 15 right under bolt toward the aft, and oh my gosh, it would rock our room every 45 seconds when it was running.
And then after it reloaded, it would do the same thing again.
Yep. And that thing may not get all the Mardi Gras in frame. I might need to do it here. Somebody just yelled, "What's your name?"
Yep.
Oh, they all matchy-matchy.
I wonder if people have literally come here to see their friends off, and now they're going.
And that's it, and they're leaving. A lot of them just come to see the cruise ships.
I know, but there's more cruise ships coming.
Off she goes. Let's see what kind of wave she rolls back in there when the water comes back into the inlet.
The adventure of the sea is coming.
Thanks.
Ooh,
Just
thank
turning
you.
the corner.
Just turning the
Nice.
corner, huh?
Cute little bird.
Oh, it is a cute little bird. Let's look. What you doing, little buddy?